Okay, this is a quick video to show you how to prepare for your final exam and where you can discuss the study guide with your classmates. So right now we're on the home page, and if you click on modules and scroll down until almost the end. So if you go to the last chapter, at the end of the last chapter, you will see, first of all, there's a file to access the study guide, but then there is also a study guide discussion board. And this is a place where you can all pitch in and review together, and I will award bonus points for you helping your classmates out. I really would encourage you to do a video. So as you can see, a lot of your classmates have already started working some of the problems. And if there's a particular one that you need help with, you can ask your classmates for help. And then here is one already where a student has posted a video of her working a problem. So this is where you can go to review with your classmates, and you can also access this study guide here. And if you have any other questions, this is a good place. If it relates to the exam, this is a great place to post your questions. So just in case some of your classmates may have the same question and just they haven't asked yet, and that way I don't get asked the same question several times. I can just answer it for the class here. So think of this as raising your hand in a face-to-face class. This is the way that you ask questions.